Hey there folks, it's Yaken here from Training Ground. Okay, so today we are actually at KLGCC Resort, okay, for the launch of the next generation of Ford Everest, okay, just launched in Malaysia. Go and check out the clip, okay, what happened during the launch, and also we are going to check out the car as well, alright?
Cherish and celebrate our customers as family, and they are part of our Ford inner circle, which is why we are creating a unique experiential platform that we call as Ford Everest Milestones Adventures.
Now, as some of you may remember, it was only 2 months ago that the next generation Ranger had its momentous launch here in Malaysia. Today, we are proud to bring another Ford vehicle that will meet the needs of the valued Malaysian customers. Carrying forward nearly 20 years of Ford's SUV legacy, the next generation Everest is built with our customers in mind. They are people who like adventure, recreation. They like to be able to go out with their family and spend time with their friends.
On the count of 3, 2, 1.
Alright, so this is the Next-Gen Everest Sport over here. Okay, so you can see the sea headlights, fog grille. Whoa, that's massive. Look at the rims and the tires. Dude. Okay. That's nice. Whoa, really huge. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So this is the real tail lamp of the Sport, okay? It's pretty good, you know. Looks solid. Not much of an issue over here. Pretty looking very nice. This black color, you know. Okay, on the door side here, there's a Sport as well. Okay, so let's just open up here and check out the interior. So here is the door. Okay, panels. Oh, the huge display. It's nice. So look at the steering wheel itself and the digital meter as well. Looking nice. This is the gear knob. Yeah. So the leather seats, really nice. Very perfect. So let's see at the back. Whoa, very nice. Stunning. So at the back you can see extra seat as well. Pretty impressed. Okay, so at the rear there's also air conditioning as well. So you also get Type C charging port and also Type A charging port as well. Not bad overall, really not bad. Okay, so yeah, gorgeous, perfect car, right? Nice. And let us see the inside of the bay. Nice.
This is a single turbo, that one by turbo. Inside, I think titanium, I don't know. This Sport look more sporty than the
Ranger SL.
But the thing is, the Sport model look more sporty than the other one.
The rim larger.
Yeah, but good lah, alright.
Alright, so this is the Next-Gen Everest. This is the Trend model. Okay, so very much you can see the grille, it's chromes. Okay, and this is a C tail light, feature C tail light. Yeah, nice. So let's look at the front rim and the tires. Really huge, gorgeous. 255 by 65 R 18. Perfect. Bi-turbo as well. this is the inside of the car. Pretty nice. So here are the driver's door. Looking good. Alright, so let's move on. Okay, so here is the passenger seat. So basically you can see this 7-seater, you can put more stuff at behind there as well. Okay, yeah. So this is the rear of the Everest trend, right? 4x4, remember that. Very nice, very cool. Okay, remember this is a bi-turbo, the sports version is a single turbo. Alright, yeah, very cool, unique, very unique. Love it.
Official premiere of the next generation Ford Everest. You are now on your way to mastering many more milestones in your life with the next generation Ford Everest. Go ahead and master your life.
Alright, so this is the NextGen Everest titanium variant. Okay, so as you can see, you get the chrome grille on the front, C headlamp, it's performance LED as well. Okay, very nice. Okay, rims look good. I still prefer in the black one. So let's just have a quick glance through. Whoa, this is cool. Not bad, not bad. Titanium Plus looks pretty awesome. Let me just check the load. Check the door. Okay, so pretty much that's it. Okay, definitely there are some like subtle changes on the titanium variant. You can see the gear knob, the chrome grille, some few other features. Alright, one more thing. So you can see the roof is a little bit different for titanium. Okay, alright, and at the rear here, you see it has a AC 230 watt, 400 watt max. Man, so gear knob is a little bit different. Displays. That's it. Alright folks, so that's all for the Ford Everest launch in Malaysia. Yeah, practically the launch event has been done, over, whatsoever you want to call it. Yeah, very interesting. I actually still like the sport variant, okay, whereby you have the black color, the black rims, everything looks totally amazing. Yeah, if you want more better specification, you go for the titanium version, alright. But if you want the base model, definitely you have to go for the trend version. Okay, so this is Yaken here, reporting for Trend Ground. Okay, and if you're still new to the YouTube channel and also our social media, please go ahead, subscribe and follow us. Alright, drop some comment, like the video, share it out, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Alright.